Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a TikTok video on Facebook story. So this is an example of video that we have on TikTok. So let's share it by tapping that arrow button on the right side, and then you can see here lots of options. Now this is the easiest way for you to share this to your Facebook story. So you can tap the plus sign stories and you will be directed to Instagram. So just tap open. Now from Instagram, you can tap that arrow button to continue uploading. So as you can see, this is now from our Instagram page or Instagram story. Now once we tap that arrow button, we will be directed to sharing it as a story, and you can then share it to your Facebook story. Now once you're done, then tap done. Now if you don't want to do that, or from Instagram to Facebook, you can just go back and just simply click that arrow button and then just save the video, or just simply tap that Facebook icon and then you will be directed to the Facebook page right away. And from there, you can just simply share that video from TikTok on your Facebook page or Facebook feed. Now you can choose your audience, whether it's public or with your friends or only you, or you can also add it on Messenger by simply going to your Facebook once more and then tap create story, and then you can just click that video that you have downloaded from TikTok and just tap share to complete the process. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.